Hi, this is Jim Brickell of Ed Learn Ford. Congratulations on the purchase of your new 2020 Ford Ranger Lariat trim. At the back of the vehicle, your camera is located right underneath the Ford oval. Your lock for your spare tire is right underneath here, your wiring for your trailer tow, 4 and 7 pin, hitch, and your reverse sensors. The fuel door is on the driver's side. It's what we call the easy fuel. Pop it open. There is no gas cap. There's not supposed to be. Put the pump in and away you go. The vehicle is equipped with the intelligent access. So when you touch the door handle on the inside, it unlocks. Touch it right here and it locks. It's doing this because I have the key fob in my pocket. And on the door, you've got your locks, you've got your power windows, and then the driver's seat is power adjustable. Forward, back, raise up, lower down. This one is lumbar support for your lower back, and then you manually change the angle of recline by lifting this lever. Lights have an automatic setting, and there is a tilt wheel to the left of the steering column. Now, the vehicle has a push button start, so foot on the brake, and there's a button just to the right of the steering column. Once behind the wheel, you can customize some of your settings. So on the steering wheel, there is a 5-way, and what you're doing is controlling what is displayed up here. So as we go to the left, it gives us a choice of display mode, trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, driver assist, and as you hit the OK, it gives you a choice. So you've got your tachometer. As you go down, you've got an engine temperature and tachometer. Go down again, you've got a digital speedometer, tire pressure, your average speed, distance to empty, so you can customize the information that you want displayed. Also on the left-hand side of the steering column is your cruise control. So on and off, resume and cancel. And as this vehicle has the technology package, it has adaptive cruise control. So we turn on cruise, and now with these arrows, what you're doing is setting the distance to stay behind the vehicle in front of you. So as you increase it, the number of dashes shown. So that's the number of car lengths the vehicle will stay behind the vehicle in front of you. And if you didn't want the cruise control on, you can simply shut it off. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, we're controlling what is displayed on the right-hand side of the display. So you can go entertainment, navigation, or phone. So with navigation, we don't have a destination currently set, so it shows the compass. Below that, we have our answer and hang up on the phone, voice control, mute, and volume for the stereo. So when it comes to voice command, there are over 10,000 voice commands the vehicle can understand. I'll just demonstrate a couple. So hit the one that looks like a little talking head. FM 105.7.
Tuning to FM 105.7.
So you can change your radio station with your voice. Find a place.
Searching nearby. Please say the name of the POI.
Ed Learn Ford.
Please say a line number or say none of those.
2.
Please say a line number or say none of those.
1.
When ready, press the voice button and then say set as destination or dial the number.
So if your phone was paired, you could dial the number, and if you hit the little star, that's saving it to your favorites, so you always know how to get to Ed Learn Ford. You can also add in a home address, a work address, and future favorites. Also on the screen, when you've got your maps up, you can hit the word search, and you can type in based on history or home, work, favorites, POI. You can start typing in an address. And I typed in 375. The last one I had saved was 375 Ontario Street, so it popped up right away. Now, if I did want to go there, I can hit the start.
Obey traffic laws, be alert, and use voice commands while driving. Please proceed to the highlighted route, and then the route guidance will start.
So we're very close. We're only 600 meters away from Ed Learn Ford. The checkered flag would be the finishing point. And it's saying it's 9:42 now, and by 9:44 we should be there. So it's quite easy to use. If you decide you want to cancel that, you can hit your voice control. Cancel route.
Canceling route.
So whether Canadian or American, the voice recognition will pick up route or route. Now, on your screen where it says controls, audio, so you can choose your source, AM, FM, your Sirius satellite radio. You've got a channel selection. If you know the station number, you can go in with direct tune, and you can save your favorites across the bottom. Climate. Each side of the truck has a different temperature control, so the driver and passenger can be at a slightly different temperature. Phone. So you tap add phone, and then have your phone in the Bluetooth. Go to settings, activate Bluetooth, and make it discoverable. Here's what it would sound like.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
So it's going to be very easy. The other thing you'll want to do is activate Fordpass. It's an app for your phone, and once activated, you'll be able to start your vehicle from your phone. You'll be able to lock it from your phone, unlock it from your phone, even find where you're parked if you had forgotten. Now, if you didn't want to do things on the screen, there are manual controls, traditional ones. So red and blue for temperature on the passenger side, red and blue for temperature on the driver's side, the fan speed, defrost, max defrost, rear defrost, and then your heated seats are down here. So when you push it once, 3 red lights, that's high heat, medium heat, low heat, no heat. Continuing down, it's a rotary knob for your shifter, for your 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive, and then your shifter is right here. When you're in sport mode, it does have manual shifting without a clutch, so that's your plus and minus buttons right there. I hope this has been a reasonable introduction to your new truck. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me anytime. That's Jim Brickell, Ed Learn Ford.